The volume of liquid in a bottle of soda is known to be normally distributed with a mean of 1020 millilitres and a standard deviation of 10 millilitres. Find the volume V such that 90% of the bottles contain less than V. So if we draw a diagram of this, here's our value V, and we know that this area is 0.9. Now we can use the ClassWiz to find this area. So I'm going to go to Menu, and it's number 7. And then option 3 is the inverse normal. The area is the 0.9. So 0.9, and then I press equals. My sigma is 10. And the mean was 1020. And that gives me the V is 1032.8. I'll just move the calculator out of the way, and we can see that we have that answer. 80% of the bottles contain more than V. Well, that means that this area is 0.8, but that also means that this area is 0.2. The inverse normal will work downwards from a value. So we're going to need to use this 0.2. So let's go back to the menu and go back and select the inverse normal. And then we know the area we want is 0.2, with the sigma being 10 and the mu being 1020. And that means that V is 1011.6. So now we want 50% of the bottles contain between 1020 take away V and 1020 plus V. 1020 take away V and 1020 add V that is going to form a symmetrical area around the mean of 1020. So if we look at it on a diagram, it's going to look like this. We know that this is 0.25, this side of the mean, and that means 0.25 down here and 0.25 on this side of the mean. So these two 0.25s make up our 0.5 here. And because we know that it's symmetric, and so altogether we have 1, that means that this must be 0.25 here, and this would be 0.25 here. So from this value downwards, we're going to have 0.75. So 1020 add V is 1026.7. Now let's just go back to the calculator and look at getting that. So once again, I'm going to go to number 7 and number 3. And the area we decided was 0.75 from this top value. We could have used this value and gone from 0.25 if we wanted to. So this is 10 again and 1020. And that's how we get the 1026.7. So just subtract 1020 from both sides, and we find that V is 6.7.